legal professionals, welcome to my channel where I show you how to use Google Workspace for your law firm or solo practice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Google tasks basically into a Trello board. This is great because it allows you to keep track of information, whether it's large projects, teams, or workflows, even cases, and maybe you're even launching a new website. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So Google launched a new UI, user interface for tasks. And if you click here, you'll see that you have this new canvas that you can go ahead and see your tasks, and they're no longer just in a corner here. Nonetheless, if you are on the calendar, you can still add tasks very quickly on the sidebar, but you do have the option now to have this beautiful front-facing view. So I'm going to go ahead and create some tasks, and you're going to see exactly how I got it done. Okay, great. So I went ahead and created some tasks. Again, very basic. Of course, you probably have more details. So as you can see, these tasks can also be moved around as well. And they can also attach emails to it, so you can go directly to the email. There you go. You also have the capability to set a deadline for the task, the date and time, even provide more details. And also, if this is a repeated task that probably need to do every week, maybe whether it's reach out to the JA for some times, you can go ahead and do that as well. And basically, this is how you turn your tasks into a Trello board.